just under the upper hand. I go mad for a couple grams. She don't wanna go outside tonight. And in a pipe she flies to the motherland, or sells love to another man. It's too cold outside for angels to fly. Dark room, staring down a bottle, blank face with the figure of a model. These cold nights too often to be coincidence. Used to be an artist, now the pipe's only instrument. A student, friends loved her to death. Her assessment of a man just really wasn't the best. They met freshman year, fell in love on a whim. Left after first semester, all she wanted was him. Didn't love getting high, but did it because he wanted to. Little scared, but how much damage could marijuana do? Weed turned to pills, pills turned to pain. Personality changed, nothing was the same. Now we didn't want to kiss her, didn't want to love her. Everything was fucking different. He left to find another. So hurt and embarrassed, all she got was dial tones every time she called her parents. Move along, what she told herself. Had to find the means, so she sold herself. Used the body for a buck, but hardly was a slut. She would cry herself to sleep after every single fuck. Lost track of her reality. Thoughts of her addiction made her think this how it had to be. Now she stands lifted on her balcony, lost soul and ready to be a casualty. Found a star to make one last wish, brought the pipe up to her mouth for one last hit. It was the ultimate high. Took a breath and closed her eyes and jumped off the ledge.